Hey there, speedsters and ring collectors. Welcome back, where we dive deep into the world of gaming and entertainment. Today, we're taking a close look at the latest spin-off from the Sonic universe, Knuckles. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dash right into the review. Knuckles the Echidna has been a fan favorite since his debut in Sonic the Hedgehog 3. Known for his red fur, serious demeanor, and the ability to glide and climb walls, Knuckles has finally stepped out of Sonic's shadow to star in his own title. But does Knuckles deliver the high-speed thrills and intricate platforming we have come to expect from a Sonic title? Or does it fall short, losing its rings in the process? Knuckles aims to offer a fresh perspective on the Sonic formula. The game introduces new mechanics, like treasure hunting and puzzle solving, which are a nod to Knuckles' lore as the guardian of the Master Emerald. Visually, the game is stunning, with vibrant levels and smooth animations that stay true to the series' aesthetic. However, where Knuckles stumbles is in its pacing and level design. Unlike Sonic's fast-paced action, Knuckles' adventures often require a slower, more methodical approach. And here is where I hit a wall, both figuratively and literally. The shift from speed to exploration can be jarring, and some levels feel more like a maze than a race to the finish line. Moreover, the game's difficulty spikes can be as prickly as Knuckles himself. While challenge is welcome, inconsistent checkpoints and unforgiving obstacles had me seeing more game over screens than I'd like to admit. But it's not all doom and gloom. The combat system is robust, with Knuckles' signature moves feeling impactful and satisfying. And the soundtrack? Pure gold. It's got that classic Sonic vibe with a Knuckles twist. So, should you pick up Knuckles? If you're a die-hard Sonic fan or someone who appreciates a challenge, then absolutely. But if you're looking for the traditional Sonic experience, you might want to stick to the Blue Blur titles. That's all for today's review. What did you think of Knuckles? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow us on social media for more gaming goodness. Until next time, keep on collecting those rings